Actually, napakaswerte ho namin nakapag-taping po kami sa Singapore noon. So may eksena po doon na nagmumuni-muni yung character ko pong si Grace sa Singapore Gardens by the Bay.
Nagko-contemplate kami.
Yes.
Sumunod si Doc Matthew ata.
Yes, sumunod naman
And
siya.
I think everyone...
The pictures are online. Makikita nyo naman ho, na-i-post ko din sa aking social media accounts.
Alam ko yung picture ni Miss Reggie.
Pictures of actually me wearing it.
What is your size, Miss Cars?
Ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Small po ata ito. Baka meron kayong mga...
By the looks of it, yes, I think it's small.
Diba? Very, very small.
Yeah, so you might have
Kaya naman pala gusto. Kaya naman pala gusto ni Miss Max.
Interesado si Max.
Ayan. Bidding starts at 500 pesos. 500 ha? 500. 500, we have 500
Ay,
here.
meron na kaagad si Ate Juliet yan.
All you have to do is to raise your
Raise your
hands.
hand kung
Ayan.
interested
Ang denomination natin is 100. 600. If you raise your hand, that's 600.
May isa na doon. Si
Ayan, may
Max
500.
Orange.
Our last bidder is 500. A Carla Abellana top worn in my destiny.
Sa Singapore.
Yes, in
Nabagay rin
Singapore.
sa akin.
Nabagay kay Miss Max. Oo nga.
Kung hindi nyo kukunin, siya kukuha.
Oo nga. We have, our last bidder is 500.
May nakita ko sa likod.
Ayan, 600. 600. At talaga nagtataas ng si Max. 600. Ay,
700. 1, 2.
Galing from
1,000!
US.
1,000!
May fan club pa siya.
500 lang ako eh.
Hanggang
Sige, 500 lang si Max.
Sabi ko nga, 800 lang ako eh. May 1,000 pala, wala na. Hoy, this is not only for girls, guys.
Why not?
This is not only for girls. Hindi, pang regalo naman, Miss Cars. Pang
Yes,
regalo.
pwedeng pang regalo
At mamaya may binigay sa akin si Sir Tom na sobrang...
Sister. Mami, tita.
And it
Ibang
goes
regalo.
for a good cause.
It's for a good cause. Let me just remind
So,
everybody.
1,000 is our...
Okay, magbibilang na ba ako? Going once?
No!
1,000? Ha? You are helping GMA Kapusta Foundation. Of course, may photo op. We will ask them to go on stage. Ayan. 1,000 is our last bid. Meron ditong side, wala dito. Talagang nanonood lang sila. No? Oo, gusto lang talaga. Miss Carla. Ang ganda-ganda mo pala ngayon, ma.
Thank you,
Sobra, sobra. Oo. Nakakahiyang tumabi sa inyong tatlo. Ayan, nakakahiya talaga. Mukha akong katulong. 1,000 is our last bid. Going once! Guys, pwede to. Hindi naman malalaman ng mga misis niyong sinusuot niyo yan sa gabi.
May 1-1 ba? Meron ba?
1-1. Can I have a hand for 1-1? Close na?
Wala na.
Bakit parang binayaran niyo sila para i-close na, ha?
Excited sila
Napipil ko dito, ha? Nakakaamoy ako ng fans ni Miss Carla at saka ni Sir Tom. 1,100. Who can go higher than 1,000 for a Carla Abellana top? Which will be donated to GMA Kapusta Foundation. Going once, twice. Natakot sila. And the item is sold. Ayan.
May fan club pa siya.
Oo, nako.
Thank you sa inyo po ito. Ay!
Kasi, may humapol. Sorry, ma'am. May humapol. 1-1. Oo. I-2,000 mo naman. 2,000! Oh my gosh! Ako. Kaya pala nag-withdraw, Miss.
Na actually it's one of my private sketchbooks.
Ayan.
That
Drawing ni Sir Tom, nahawakan ni Miss Max, ni Miss
Bawat
Mars.
page, ha?
Grabe.
Hindi lang yung front page.
Uy, may gusto akong niya.
pages dito. Actually
Meron pa ako dyan.
mga sketches, mga studies.
Si John, Miss Carla.
Sino yan?
Ay, ako pa yan.
Sino yan?
Ganda.
Alam mo, mga
Nice.
iba-ibang
Ganda ni
sketches
Carla.
lang po siya ng mga study sketches ng mga ginawa ko pag nag-aaral din ako. Or pag wala akong ginagawa sa taping habang naghihintay, usually nagdo-drawing lang po ako. And yan po yung
Ayan. And FYI guys, these two are unbelievably intelligent. Sobra talaga.
Sobrang
Oo.
talino nila.
Grabe talaga. And they know how we work, what we do in the foundation. And thank you for being one with Miss Mel. Ayan. Sir Tom, ang dami nating nakuha last year. Ayan.
Kasi yung mga sketchbooks ko talaga hindi ko nare-release. Walang
Sir Tom,
masyado nakakakita sa kanila.
What type of paper is this? Parang special yan.
Actually, it's for sketching talaga. It's a
Oo, sa
real
for
thick paper.
sketching.
Kasi even for watercolor pencils, kaya-kaya
Hindi
ng paper na to. No, wala usually.
then this is pencil.
Yeah, it's all in pencil. It's all.
It matches all types of drawing material.
And if you want to add your
Sketch
own,
materials.
there's still a lot of
Blank
pages, a lot of
naman.
blank
There are
pages.
spare pages para kung gusto niyo pong
Ayan, ako, they have seen so much. Huwag mo munang paano lahat, sir. Baka bumaba ang
Dapat
Minsan,
ipaalam
I'm
natin
kuwari,
per
pag may
page.
mga kwento akong ginagawa, mga characters.
Kaya naman ako
dyan
blouse
pa rin
lang yung sa akin.
Hindi, ako ano actually, hindi ko pinapakita yung mga
Marami ka pang
sketchbook ko.
items, Miss Cars. Oo. And I'm gonna be auctioning that off from starting later. Ayan,
tonight,
starting later up until Monday. Ayan, 5 to 6 p.m. Ayan, our celebrity auction. Bidding starts at 500 pesos.
Wow!
Yan,
Murang-mura
Grabe.
naman.
We
Grabe
have one bidder here.
Iya daw si Tomo kung iya.
Sino pong mga artist dyan? Artist ng anak, artist ng
Yes, mahilig
grandson,
mag-sketch.
godson. Ayan, this is the perfect gift, especially now that the Christmas season is just around the corner, of course.
And you never know in a few years how much will this be worth.
Of course,
diba?
of course, oo. At,
More and more.
Diba?
Okay, 500.
500.
Is there
Ang
1,000?
nagbid.
Anyone?
oo,
1,000.
600, 700, is there anyone
1,000.
who can go higher than 500? 1,000!
1,000 na siya. Oh, may
Ayan.
2,000 ba dyan?
Oo.
2,000.
Kailangan to, matapatan mo to.
Oh, 2,000!
Ang mahal nito
Ayan,
binili.
2,000 na.
2,000 na naman. 3,000. Okay.
Grabe naman.
Next.
Wala
May
bang
four ba
concessionaires dyan na kayang labanan si...
Sila lang yun.
Concessionaires,
Okay.
calling all concessionaires there, ayan.
Kung
Tapatan
kanino man
natin si Ma'am.
pumunta, sana po ma-enjoy nila na
Ayan.
gusto. And I think that's the only sketchbook that
Correct, because
I was-
Tom doesn't, he hasn't had
Wala pa akong
an art
naging exhibit or
Wala.
anything like that ng mga
Hasn't sold
works
any
ko. And
of
then as
his
far as
art pieces.
my own personal sketches talaga that I've drawn myself, that I've put my heart and soul into it, yan lang
Oo,
yung
narinig nyo naman yun. So dapat,
nakalabas. So hopefully, ma-enjoy.
Actually, ma-enjoy talaga
Kung
nila.
kanino man
Kasi
siya mapunta.
this is actually you, Sir Tom, that they're buying. Eh. Part of you, I
Kaya
think.
nga, medyo ang
Part
hirap
of
to be,
you.
kasi parang
Personal item talaga siya.
Personal
something that's
item.
part of you.
Part of him.
Nakaka-
Oh, part of Tom for 3,000. May
For
4,000
3,000, may
ba
4,000 ba dyan?
4,000.
Oo.
For
4,000,
good
3,100.
cause.
3,100. Bakit?
sa GMA Kapuso
3,100.
Foundation.
Of course, please note.
3-1 or 3?
3-1.
3-1.
Oo, 3-1.
3-1.
Parang sila na rin yung nagbibid,
Panalo.
tapos tinataasan nila yung bid nila. So wala
Sila
na.
lang.
Oo. Oo,
Ako,
miss.
yung nagtatalo.
kasi pwede naman sila mag-usap-usap na sila lang. Oh, sige, ikaw na lang
oo.
mag-bid.
Dapat kasi yung isa sa inyo doon.
Oo.
Diba? Tapos
Kaya sana
kalat-kalat
sila
sila.
mag-away-away, ma'am.
Masyado.
Dapat team effort.
3,100 going once. Twice. And this item is sold. Thank you. That item is sold. To the Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Ayan.
much.
She gets a photo op also.
Thank you so much. Miss Cars, maraming
Of course,
salamat.
you're welcome. Thank you po sa ating
Po kami papasalamat. Thank you so much.
One more time for Carla, Tom.
I'm the one.
It's nice to see popular personalities and their popularity and influence to a good cause.